We have almost finished this house hacking of a 100-year-old garage in the back of this bungalow, and we're going to show you what we've done so far. We've already done the electric, we've done the installation, we've done the drywall, and that's what it looks like. It actually looks like a studio little apartment.
We did plumbing.
We did plumbing too as well, because there's a bathroom in there that you're gonna see. You're gonna see that actually has walls, it's painted, it's got trim. Someone could actually move in there right now, and that's what we're gonna be almost doing, or at least staging it. So let's go see what it looks like over here.
It's a livable, breathable product now. We can throw your grandma in there and she won't want to leave.
So that area has the window right there with the light. That actually used to be a garage door. Now it's not. So that's the bathroom on the other side. This has already been here, but something that we wanted to do with curb appeal. We actually laid the concrete and we wanted not just a square or a rectangle. So we did a little wave on the side.
It's a little artistic bent for it. You know?
It's nice.
You just don't want to throw something on the ground that looks ugly.
We'll
line it with bricks or something. Who knows what somebody will. But this was just broomed out. It's really still wet, so that's probably why it doesn't look great on camera. But come on, let's go in, check it out. Oh, yes. First off, oh, yeah.
We now have a mini split.
Mini split, number one, come in, turn it on. It gets cool real fast, which is a really nice addition. Look up, this used to be just wood rafters and decking. Check it out now. Perfect, nice and insulated, nice and white to match the rest of our interior.
Kind of industrial look.
Yeah, this is industrial for grandma.
And grandma that can step down 8 inches.
Exactly, there's an 8-inch step down, but it's all right.
Let me show you what the layout is of the space now that you actually have drywall on the walls. Here, you can have like a couch or 2 chairs that are kind of like little cozy over here with a little table. You have a little kitchenette over here, and you'll notice that we only have a sink. We don't have a dishwasher. We didn't want to put one in. From there, since this is a studio, everything is open to each other. This is the bedroom. Jeff, please lay down.
Where are we gonna lay?
Right, the head's here.
Okay, so we're gonna lay down here. Oh.
Yes, so we lay there.
Watching TV.
Well, the
TV's
here. That could
swings
probably be
out.
on a swing because
Right.
over there are 2 chairs. People can watch TV here.
Okay.
So that's the idea.
I get it.
This
Here's
is the
your
living
chair.
area.
Here's your chair. Sit on it. Brush your legs. There you go. There's our chair.
So this
we'll
is the chair. There's probably 2 chairs, just talking to people, having fun, talking about the space, watching TV from over there. That's here. It could be a couch. And this is actually the reason why we talked about building this wall out, because if you want a couch here, you don't want to like have the couch arm coming past this area. So we made sure that that will be like behind this area. So you see that this only has a sink over here. Actually, this area, if you don't have a large couch or whatnot, you can actually have a mini fridge here. You could have a Smeg here that's only like to my collarbone, or a mini fridge. Anything could work. You actually have a fridge in here.
Cool little thing here. This whole garage was made out of like honeycomb block, and we didn't want to make that disappear because you couldn't see it from the outside. We wanted you to be able to see what kind of history was on the inside. That's the name of the block company, Cherokee, and we wanted you to see just what the place was made out of. So just left this blank. People will be like, what the hell is that? You can tell that story on your thing if you
We also have a mini split that is flowing air everywhere, and then I'm going to take you to the bathroom. Well, hello. We are going to go into the bathroom now. This is a pocket door just to have like functional space here. And you may see that I am actually quite high off the concrete floor. We did this so that we didn't have to jackhammer the concrete to put our plumbing in. So our plumbing is actually in this raised floor, and it's all framed with wood. So our plumbing goes through there and then it goes out that way. It is approximately 7.5 inches. You don't really pay attention to it. So what does this studio bathroom kind of like allow space-wise? It's a crap ton of space actually. We decided this is the block. Interior of the garage, you can see this here.
So when we framed up, kind of like the little thing that we had of plexiglass so you could see the block, at least the block in the old part of the garage. In our framing, we decided to put a 2 by here, 2 by there. We're gonna build this out probably with a 1 by 6. So it'll look like a cabinet, and this leftover cabinet door from another job is gonna attach to that. It's gonna be sticking out about yay far, and you have the right amount of room. This is not toilet paper, but toilet paper rolls will be in here. Kind of like think of medicine cabinet. Storage space is paramount.
So important in a place like this. You actually have a lot of space here. When thinking about space, storage, AKA here, we actually have a space between the toilet and the vanity. You can put a laundry basket here or a basket in general, and then here you have a little trash can. So it's just making sure you have space for those without having to use like small little crammed areas. As we mentioned before in other videos, for the window that's actually in this bathroom, this is the only window that we added. We wanted to have it here so that with the pocket door, whether it was here or right here in this space, you would be able to see or have the extra light. So you'll actually see in the shower We typically like to have knee walls, but we decided not to do a knee wall here, which would go to like about this height and then have glass and a door because we wanted to save money. This would be somewhere between $1,200 to $1,500 for the door. And then you have tiling around it as well if we were to do a knee wall. You can or you don't have to have a shower curtain because I believe there's enough room here that you're not gonna have a lot of spray out like that way. And if you do, just make sure you have a mat and it collects. There's enough room in here. I think this is a 33 inch by 5 feet shower. It's pretty nice. I would stay in here. And you've got your typical 3x6 or 3x5.5 subway tile, and it's pretty cheap to get anyway. So I would go and do that too.
So we need to get really busy staging because we got one more video to show you guys.
It's gonna be my favorite video because it takes the decor items and the inspiration photos from your computer and your brain into actuality. All right, so we'll see you on the next one with staging.
Adios. Or how do the others say? Ciao.
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 Ciao bella.